Alrighty, so this is a 2011 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. This is the cheapest mod you can do. This plastic bit here that I cut off doesn't seem like much, but it's literally directly in front of the airflow of the fucking intake behind there. That's the intake. That right there. This part right here blocked that entire thing. And it is not this little part. No. This goes over onto the other side. And then this little middle part, which is where the hood latch is, happens to be right there blocking that airflow. It has to go up and then over to get in there. The part is directly underneath these things. And so this right here. And you need to take these things off. Alright. You just gotta, well, I got some scissors and some pliers and just started yanking and cutting away after I yanked this off, which clearly it's a little bit annoying to get back on. There's that thing flew. Point is, yeah, no, it would have been right underneath this and it would have blocked everything. Now it's not there. And yeah, so doing a basic kind of like simple little thing where I decided to test it by going up a hill that before was like 4,200, RPM to get up. Well, it's at about 32 to 38, so not too bad. All right, so I was thinking about it, and I'm like, because this is literally just all grill intake, right? I'm like, oh, somebody could design an easy to 3D print, like nylon reinforced individual throttle body that comes right from here to get some of this the support, a little bit. You gotta hack away a little, not much, but right into the underneath there, because it of course is a throttle right into that one side. So it's like, oh, that's just a straight shot. If I get like a fucking large ass filter effectively to move some things, you have to drill slot just a little bit, reinforce in the right ways. So like that's an easy all day kind of thing if you're willing to take off the bumper, get a Dremel, get some rubber grommet, and do it, I suppose. Individual throttle bodies, it's just plastic and fucking stainless steel, and you can get put some holes in it, and then like here's the big reveal: electroform some nickel around it with the fiber reinforcement of the nylon, both the nylon being woven on the outside, but then it's in the print itself, for the plastic, right? It then happens to have a cool effect of when you nickel plate it, going through the holes on both sides with a little bit of conductive paint. That's all you gotta have. It creates a mandrel, and now it's stronger with nickel. So it won't really collapse, and it can handle heat. And well, you can get a stainless steel kind of spacer, but you don't really need it because there's not going to be that much heat. You just port inject and put in the injector bung holes, weld them, then electroform that nickel around that, which is plastic weld. So you just heat it up and you stick it in. Really, is honestly what that is. But same thing for like the throttle body, because that's totally doable too. Now it's sealed with nickel around it, so like probably gonna last longer. Anyways, bye.